First, go down to the search bar and type Windows Features. Now click on Turn Windows Features on or off from the search results. A new window will open. Scroll down and look for Microsoft Print to PDF. Make sure this option is checked. If it's not enabled, turn it on. Then click OK and wait a few seconds. Now test it again. In most cases, it should work now. But if the problem continues, don't worry. Let's move to the next method. Open Settings from the Start menu. Next, click on Bluetooth and Devices. Then select Printers and Scanners. Now click Add Device and then choose Add Manually. A window will appear. Scroll to the bottom and choose the last option, then click Next. On the next page, open the drop-down list and select File, Print to File, then click Next. Now on the left side, choose Microsoft. And on the right side, scroll and look for Microsoft Print to PDF. If you don't see it, no problem, just click on Windows Update, wait a few moments for the list to refresh, and then check again. Select Microsoft Print to PDF, click Next, and finish the setup. This should fix the issue for most users. If the printer still doesn't appear, here is the final method. Go to the search bar and type Windows PowerShell. Right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. A blue command window will open. Here, paste the command that I will leave for you in the pinned comment below. After pasting it, press Enter. PowerShell will now install and add Microsoft Print to PDF automatically. Once it finishes, the problem should be completely solved.